Hey, this 2021 stabi craft, great visibility. This is going to be showing you how the running of the boat. You got your steering wheel back here for the rear deck, is kind of handy. I got that set up there. I got my waypoint. That's that red line to the left, or yellow line to the right. I got my radar overlay on the GPS, and then I got my sonar right here. Now, say you didn't need that big of a screen over here. I forgot to show you that. I can go up here, go to size flip. I can cut that back. And we make that bigger right there and hit save. That's another thing. Now, I started the heater earlier. I showed you that. You got your red light and the yellow light. Now, to turn it off, you just hit this until it dims and leave it alone. Do not touch anything. See how that yellow light went out, the red light went on? That's still hot. Those are really hot. So you don't want to just turn your battery switch on. You need to have this system completely shut down. So now we're running on the mains. Go here. And I can look up there and see if anything's in my way, see if I'm in the channel. I'm clear. And then we're going to go up here and hook, turn on the horse down. Deck horse is on. Go here. So that's working. Okay, so then what we'll do, close that up. You got your over here, how fast you're doing, your gallons, your troll mode, used, econo, flow. So I've only used 2.7 gallons. Voltage, battery, oil, water on both motors. If you want to see your tax, you go over here. So we'll leave these here and it'll still tell me my speed, plus I got it here. So you ready? We're going to hit it. Trim down, make sure your trim's down. About 2 seconds. We got a little lane that way, so you want to hit this tab. Go straight south. You want to start going down here. Beautiful boat. I love these. 22 and the 25 is my favorite. And we're going to scan. Go right about there. We're doing 14.6 miles an hour, so that's pretty good for planing. You can remember, you can steer with these too. See? Now I want to go over to the left. I want to go to the right. It'll take me to the right, so if my steering ever went out. Now I'm going to level the boat out. Now if I want to steer with these, I can too. Just make sure they're steered straight back, like that. Now what I can do is use it like a bobcat. Now see how it's going to the left? Then I reverse it. And I'll go to the right. Left. Right. So I can get back off of these if I wanted to. Same thing, if I wanted to go to the left, I bring this one back. I stop it until it just goes backwards. Then I move the right starboard one ahead until it stops it and it starts turning. Then you only have to use the one. So I want to go the other way. And these got aero design holes, so that's why they turn so good. I want to go to the right. I hit this one until I'm going backwards. I hit this one to get me going forward. If I want to go faster, I give it a little bit more reverse. Then I just play with this one. So that's that one, and then you can go up here. And then with the aero design, I'll show you what this will do too. I'm going to bring that tab up, trim down, put it in reverse, go over to the right. Look how fast that goes in the curve. And no water over the back. And the same thing on the turn. And if you want to free up the steering a bit, trim that up. Now look at this. Picks up speed on the turn. That's that arrow design. Then you're going here. Then what you can do is trim it until the boat starts to move. Then start trimming these up because that will change the angle of the boat. See how it kind of flattened out a little bit? So you want to trim that. Try to keep your RPMs the same. Go back here. Look at where I'm at. No boats ahead of me. And I can steer back here. And I'm in about, I'm losing my depth. Here comes, what's his name? Fishing. So that's cool. I like that rear deck steering. And you bring her back. And sometimes if it's real nasty, now I would say I want to get rid of them white points, but you know, I'll just leave them there. There's my depth right here. So what I can do is leave this going right here about 4.6 roughly right there. And again, I don't have to worry about hitting somebody because I can be back here and steer it. Now what I do is trim the kicker down. And then when it's cold, you got to give it like 3 pumps. Lift this up until you feel tension. Then you can raise it up beyond that, push and turn on the key. I already started this up. And then all I have to do is hit this one. Go up here, bring these back, turn these off, spin out like that. Now we're running on the kicker motor.